Now the next deduction that we have is a deduction of 8I-E. 8I-E is for interest on loan that you've taken for higher studies. I hope you're with me.
Yes.
Okay. If you've taken loan for higher studies and on that higher studies, if you're paying any interest, I'm repeating, if you have taken loan for higher studies on that loan, you're paying any interest, then that
Hmm.
interest is allowed as a deduction.
Okay.
Okay. This is allowed for
Mm.
an individual who has taken loan for higher studies. When we say he has taken loan for higher studies, that means 12 plus.
Okay.
He has taken this loan from financial institutions or approved charitable institutions, and this loan is taken for himself, his wife, or any child,
Okay.
and he is paying interest on it. Okay, then
Okay.
he is going
Mm.
to get deduction for the interest on loan.
Mm.
Deduction is for the interest, not the principal amount. It should be for +2, and this deduction is allowed only up to 8 years. Whatever interest he has paid, it is allowed to be deducted only up till 8 years. You do not have to see whether after +12 he has taken it for full time education or part time education or for outside India. In India, outside India, full time, part time, does not matter. +12. Okay? Please note,
Mm.
at IC we were allowed deduction for tuition fee,
Yes.
interest on the tuition fee, but it was for full
Yeah.
time in India.
Full time. Yeah.
But 8IE is anywhere, full time, part time, but for +12.
+12 means after 12th grade.
Yeah, higher studies.
Okay.
With me?
Yes.
Now, 8I TTA. If you have
Okay.
a saving bank account and
Mm.
you have money in that saving bank account, and on that
Yes.
money you're receiving interest, okay? The bank account
Okay.
can be in the bank, it can be in the post office. In
Okay.
that bank account, you have money, and on that money, you're receiving interest. Then, on that interest, you are allowed to get a deduction of 10,000. It should be a saving bank account. Saving bank account. Up to 10,000, it is allowed. Deduction is allowed. But you should know that first you will write this interest on the saving bank account under IFOS, income from other sources,
Okay.
and then take deduction under 8I TTA. It does not matter whether you're resident or non-resident, okay?
Mm.
But this deduction is not allowed to resident senior citizen. You should be normal, not a senior citizen.
Okay.
Okay? 8I
Mm.
TTA is allowed to resident, non-resident saving bank account interest you get maximum 10,000. But if you're a resident, not senior citizen, you cannot take deduction under 8I TTA. You will take deduction under 8I TTB.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Mm.
This is for interest in the savings account. Okay?
Mm.
Post office savings account. So you also get exemption under section 1015 and you also get deduction under ITI TTL.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Suppose you have post office saving bank account and you're receiving interest 13,000.
Mm.
So under 1015 you get an exemption of 3,500 in your income from other sources. You write you're getting interest on post office savings account 13,000. Exemption under 1015 is 3,500. You have your gross total income. Now you will get deduction under chapter 6A. For 8I TTA, maximum deduction is how much? 10,000.
Mm.
But your gross total income is 9,500 only, so you will get this deduction of full 9,500. So net income chargeable to tax is nil. I'm just pausing the video a bit, digest the fact, ask me questions if you have. 8IC is for investments, tuition fees, 1,50,000, and tuition investments and pensions and tuition fees for 2 kids, maximum
Hmm.
150,000. Triple C is for pension fund, 150,000. CCE tells aggregate should be 150,000. D is for
Hmm.
mediclaim and preventive health checkup, 25 plus 5. Preventive health checkup maximum 5, bunch 1 or bunch 2. If in
Hmm.
any of the bunch there is a senior citizen, 50,000.
Hmm.
DD, it is for brothers and sisters also. Dependent, self spouse, children, parents, brothers and sisters, but handicap. Dependent on the amount of expenditure. Okay, even if you spend
Hmm.
one, you will get full amount as deduction provided that person has not taken deduction under section 8IU. If the
Yes.
disability is 40 to 79%, 75,000. If disability is more
80%.
than
Hmm.
80%, 125,000.
125.
Okay. The person
Hmm.
on whom he is dependent, that person who's filing the income tax will get the deduction. But if the person is filing his own income tax, then he will take deduction
No.
under you, and this person will not get deduction. So you yourself are taking for you being handicapped.
Okay.
Okay. 8IE is for education for higher studies only up till 8 years plus 12 in India, outside India, part time, full time. Deduction is
Hmm.
on the interest, not on the principal amount.
Hmm.
Okay. TTA is having a savings bank account in the bank or in the post office and you're getting interest, 10,000 deduction allowed. You also get exemption under 10, 15, 3,500. First you show at IFOS, take exemption, then you get deduction. Are you with me? So these are all
Yes.
our provisions in short.